We are cooking bone broth today. This is beef bone marrow. Let me show it to you. The butcher has helped to chop into pieces. This is bone marrow.
Beef bone.
Yes, it's very nutritious. Okay? You can see it's pretty big a piece. It's very heavy, okay? This is soft.
Is it soft?
Yeah, it's soft. This is where we used to make blood, the bone marrow. It's actually huge.
Wow.
Huge bone marrow. Okay?
What's the plan? What are we going to do actually?
We are going to make a bone broth.
So we're going to make bone broth
Using the instant pot.
using the instant pot.
Okay, I'm using this instant pot to make the bone broth. The first step is to take water to boil it first to remove the dirt from the blood. Okay, so we are going to remove the water and the blood dirt and then fill water again and cook. So this phase is just to clean the bone. Then the bone broth can be transparent and clear. You have to cover the bone with water. Okay, it's very important to put room temperature water only, not hot water at all. Because if you put hot water, the hot water will cook the surface of the meat and it will seal the bone, then the dirt cannot come out. So only room temperature water. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. It's a maximum here. So I put it on when, because it's just boiling, it's not for high pressure cooking. Okay? Seal and venting. Now it's just for boiling, so it's venting. I'll choose the pressure cook. Once the steam comes out, then I know it's boiled already. Then I can wash it and change water. Can you see the steam coming out? So now it's boiling. I will switch it off. And wait for the steam to go. Okay, let's see how the cleaning process is like. Oh, nice. Okay, you can see the dirt. Can you see the dirt? That is from the blood. Can you see the gray color? And from here, this angle, you can see the edge of the pot.
Oh, the edge of the pot.
Can you see it?
Yes. Let's.
So that's the foam from the blood. So if you don't wash it away, the broth will not be clear and nice. So I wash it away. Right? It's very hot. Heavy. Okay, I washed the bone already, and then now I'm pouring water. Be careful with the maximum one. Okay, perfect. Salt, pepper, bay leaves. I put four big pieces, and some clove. I would like to put ginger as well, but today we don't have it at home. It's fine. Okay.
Salt done?
Done. Go for it. Because beef bone is very hard, dense, I would like to cook for 1 hour, high pressure. Pressure cook. started. Okay, seal it here. Then the steam won't come out. Okay? Okay, after the pressure cooking has finished, I kept it for 1 or 2 hours more so that the remaining pressure can continue to cook.
Okay.
And then I will check here the whistle
Okay.
from seal to venting. Check if there's any pressure steam coming out. No,
Okay.
there's no sound anymore. You can freeze it. But that means the pressure is finished. The steam has finished. So it's safe to open now. Let's see. Wow. Very rich bone broth. See?
Smells good.
That smells very good. And the top layer is the beef oil. You can use it for cooking or roasting. It's very nice. Should I scoop it and see how it
Yeah.
looks like?
Let's do it.
Let's scoop it. Wow. Wow, see. Scoop properly. You see the bone marrow? You see
That
the
can
bone
come
marrow?
out now and you can eat it.
See.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
try. I'll try.
Lovely.
Smells good.
Good.
I like it. Yeah. I like it. It's full of nutrients. It's very good bone broth. This is the luxury of living in Cardiff. I got it from Cardiff Central Market.
Yeah, you can't find it anywhere
This bag,
in England.
this bag, £2.50.
But Cardiff, it was easy to find.
It's available in some butchers.
Yeah, might be in London maybe. So
See
just
all the bone.
bone marrows come out. We still
out.
have to push it out.
So this is the bone attached to the. This is the meat attached to the bone. A
Inside.
lot of collagen, you see?
Outside or inside?
Outside.
Oh,
You see a lot
okay.
of collagen.
Ah,
See the texture? So, but they have become so soft. It just come out.
lovely.
Wow. Nice. See? They have separated the bone, the joint. Are separated. See? Nice.
Lovely.
Yeah. This is the end product. This is the bone broth together with the bone marrow. The top layer is the bone beef fat. We will scoop it out after keeping it in the fridge and then use it for cooking.
Use it for
Okay,
cooking.
use it for cooking. Beef oil, pure natural. The bone broth you can use it for to cook rice or just to drink it. You see, after putting the bone broth into the fridge, it has become jelly. And the fat has come up to the top. Now you can just scoop the fat on the top. And
Use it for cooking.
use for cooking, yes. This is the most natural form of oil. It's directly from the cow, from the bone. It's so good.
Purest form of oil and the ancient way of cooking.
Yes. Basically just fire and the bones.
That's it.
That's
And
it.
fire, water and bones.
Yes. A little bit of salt for seasoning. You will have a lot from just one piece of beef bone. You see how much you have?
Yeah. Wow, there are 4 boxes. So we got
Actually, we have 5, 6. I'm still doing it here.
6 boxes. Okay.
Actually, we have a lot.
Wow.
A lot. I don't know when we're
These are
going to
6
buy
IKEA
oil
boxes.
next time.
Yeah.
This box is 600 ml each.
Wow. Actually, this will last for quite a long time.
Quite a long time.
Yes,
so-
just for 2 people, 2 of us.
Yes.
It will be a
See,
good amount of
This
oil.
is just the collagen. You see how the texture is like?
This we will use to cook rice
Yes.
and to drink soup.
Yes, to drink soup when you cook rice. You see?
Yeah.
I love
Lovely.
the texture.
Lovely.
Just freeze it, okay? Try. So try this recipe. Make some bone broth. Enjoy your meal.
Okay.
See you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.